Hello everyone! Welcome back to BAAS Publishing. We're going to start a three-part series on the Bulletin of the American Astronomical Society, BAAS, 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 all good pronunciations. So the BAAS is part of the family of journals that the American Astronomical Society publishes, and these include the AJ, the Astronomical Journal, the APJ, the Astrophysical Journal, APJ Letters, APJ Supplements, Research Notes, and BAAS. So, the BAAS. It was founded in 1969. That's when it first got started, and the image there shows a set of editions from about 1979 to 1980. Suitably weathered, I guess is how I would describe them. And it was mainly, in the beginning, a vehicle for the publication of abstracts of the Society's scientific meetings that were in there. Some were thick, some were thin, all looking a little weathered right there. And so over time, new content was added, things like obituaries, observatory reports, statistical or analytical articles about the field of astronomy. And just to give you an example of what an observatory report looked like, that's shown down there in blue. This is from UT Austin. I won't give you the year. You can look it up. And so this is talking about the observatory itself, and this is how the department observatory was administered. There are some of the luminaries there listed as the administration. And I picked this one in particular because one of those people there, Ethan Vishniak, eventually then became editor-in-chief of the BAAS journals and still is today. So stuff was added, and then over time, stuff went away. The articles and the observatory reports were eventually dropped just because people weren't submitting stuff. In other words, there was sort of this waning interest in the BAAS. And also the rise of the internet. There was no longer any need to send in paper reports when you could just post something online. So I do remember the days when most departments would have this metal rack and people would send in their preprints before there was archive. And so you would go to this metal rack and people would send in their stuff, and this is how you read recent papers and preprints that were on there. But of course, this all rapidly went away when the internet came in. And so then what is the purpose of the BAAS? And so it languished for quite a little bit. But we need to do something about it. And so keep calm and try rebooting. And this is what we're going to cover over the next 2 video modules, is the reboot of the BAAS, what it is in the current epoch, and some of the content that is on the BAAS and where we're aiming to put this in the future. So that'll do for now. Thank you, and I hope to see you on round 2 of this series. Thanks. Bye-bye.